What is going on, guys? This is Louis, aka Kumatara from my gaming peoples out there. And I'm going to talk about some celebrities that I've actually transported on the mule. Stay tuned.
I like a new Lincoln with all of its class.
I have driven a vocal artist named by, drumroll please, Christina Milian. Yes. I have driven Christina Milian. Christina Milian has been inside my mule. That sounded kind of funny. But inside my Lincoln MKT, which I call a mule. That's why. For all the new people. So that day I was doing airport runs all day because I had some money saved up and I wanted to try it, because I was new to rideshare. So I wanted to try doing airport runs, only airport runs on Lux, on the mule. So I got on there by, I think, like 7 o'clock in the morning, right? It was 9 o'clock at night and I still didn't get one call. So about 10:20, I got a call and I see there's a name. It says Christina, I think it was. And then I see the pic and it's Christina Milian. I'm like, oh, that's clever. This person's name is Christina and she used the picture for Christina Milian. That's pretty clever. And I was going to use that as an icebreaker to talk to them if they were kind of talkative people. So I was like, okay, let me get there. And then I get there and I see her standing, but I didn't fully recognize her because I'm always like on work mode. I'm like, okay, how you doing? And she's so-and-so, yes. Okay, then I grab the bags and I put them in the car and then I drive out of there. However, when I get in the car and I hear her speak and then singing automatically so soon, I'm like, holy crap, that is Christina Milian. I always thought, she had a beautiful voice, but hearing her with closed windows and like right here, like, oh my God, this woman has such an angelic voice. Now, I know what you may be thinking. Did I fanboy? Did I give her my number? Did I ask for her number? And the answer is, to all of those, absolutely not. They paid me to take a passenger from point A to point B safely. That was my priority. They did not pay me to be a fanboy, so I didn't want to disrespect them like that. The last thing I want to make any of my passengers is being uncomfortable inside my car. Oh my God, that's so fucking cool. She was so down to earth. The next group I transported was a group of actors that they are in soap operas and some movies and stuff like that. And because I don't watch TV and I rarely see movies now, I don't know who they were, to be honest. But they was talking to me. They was really down to earth, and they told me like the shows that I was going to be on and the shows that they had been on before. But I didn't want to be like, who are you guys? I think I had that girl that was with Roman Pierce in Fast and Furious, and she was like, no, you are. That girl, I think I had her on the same seat and the same side as Christina was on. These are my celebrity stories. Now, if you are a driver, please tell me, have you ever transported a celebrity and who it was? I think that would be a cool conversation, So I have a couple of actors and Christina Milian. That's pretty cool. That's pretty dope. And if you're new, please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this content. Until next time, this is Louis. Peace and Louis.